Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how ancient Greeks looked. We'll explore their common physical traits, including hair and eye color, and typical skin tones. You'll also learn about their grooming habits, such as the prevalence of beards among men. Understanding these details helps paint a clearer picture of their daily lives and cultural norms. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ancient Greek aesthetics and discover their distinctive features. Ancient Greek art often portrays individuals with strong, athletic physiques, reflecting their emphasis on physical training and sports. Their facial features, as seen in sculptures, frequently show straight noses and well-defined jawlines, contributing to a classic aesthetic. These idealized representations highlight their cultural values, where symmetry and harmonious proportions were considered hallmarks of beauty. This focus on physical perfection was deeply ingrained in their society. Ancient Greeks wore practical yet elegant clothing, primarily draped garments such as the chiton and himation. These were often made from wool or linen and could be dyed in a variety of rich colors, reflecting personal status or regional styles. Both men and women adorned themselves with jewelry, including rings, necklaces, and earrings, crafted from gold, silver, or bronze. Their attire and accessories were integral to their identity and daily life. Grooming was important in ancient Greece, with women often styling their hair into intricate updos, sometimes adorned with ribbons or pins. Men's hairstyles varied, from shorter cuts to shoulder-length locks, often curled or neatly arranged. Personal hygiene was also valued, with bathing and oiling the skin being common practices. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video. We've got some excellent resources waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.